Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the world of farmhouse interior design and transform this ordinary bathroom into a charming farmhouse retreat. We'll be using a range of rustic elements to achieve that cozy, timeless look. Let's get started. Our first step is to create a neutral canvas. We'll install shiplap walls to give that classic farmhouse texture. These wooden panels bring warmth and character to the room. Next, we're laying down rustic wide plank flooring to add an authentic farmhouse feel. To enhance the coziness, we're installing exposed wooden beams on the ceiling. Now, let's incorporate some farmhouse essentials. A clawfoot bathtub is the focal point here. It's a vintage gem that adds elegance to the space. For our walls, we're using timeless white subway tiles. They bring a clean and fresh look. Adding wainscoting below gives a touch of traditional charm. No farmhouse bathroom is complete without a farmhouse sink. It's iconic and practical. We're pairing it with a rustic vanity that ties the design together. To enhance the vintage charm, we're adding vintage mirrors and mason jar lighting. These elements bring a touch of nostalgia. Now, let's introduce some barn-inspired elements. We're installing a barn door for both aesthetics and space saving. Open shelving is essential in a farmhouse bathroom. It provides storage and a chance to display rustic accessories. To amplify the cozy atmosphere, we're adding a cast iron radiator for warmth and style. And for a finishing touch, a barnwood accent wall. Last but not least, we're adding freestanding towel racks, shuttered window treatments, and rustic hardware. These details tie the whole design together. And there you have it, a transformed farmhouse-style white bathroom. By combining these elements, from the clawfoot bathtub to the rustic flooring, we've created a space that's inviting and full of character. Thanks for joining me on this journey. Remember, with a bit of creativity, you can bring the farmhouse charm into any space. Until next time.